Welcome back to Baking Sourdough Bread with James Chow. This is to a point where I have already started and the bread is all risen very nicely. There's the second proof. I just need to tip it out and put it into the baking vessel that has a lid. Takes a little while to sugar out, but look at that beautiful looking spiral pattern. A little sugar to settle it in. This one's a little bit smaller, but still works well. Look at that pattern. Sugar. Needs to be maximum heat. Once this is done, I can put that away. It stacks quite nicely. Cover it up to keep all the flour at bay. Nice patterns, ready to be scored. With confidence, that's what you need to do. Your nice and sharp blade. I used to make the star first and then do this part, but I found that if you do this part first, that little cut here actually helps it to pull the cut areas apart a little bit more, so it gives a better crack feeling. Oh. It's 25 minutes up since I've put it in. We'll take the lid off, keep the lid on and keep some moisture in, and then now it just dries out and crisp it up nicely for that 25 minutes again. So, yes, it tends to make my glasses and my camera go a bit foggy. One hand is not so simple. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Oop. Oop. So, hands are very easy. Final bread. Ooh. One for me, one for Graham. Let's turn the oven off and do a bit of a sweep. And now for the sound. Once it's cooled overnight, it's ready for breakfast. I'm loving the crunch.